Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pav if you already don't know me, and I did a poll on my Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see a Sephora VIB I can't talk today. Sephora VIB sale haul for 2019. I did one of these last year and you guys loved it. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. Make sure you go watch it. I picked up a bunch of stuff last year as well. So if you want to see what I got from the Sephora VIB sale, let's get on with the video. Also, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below, and yeah, I'd really appreciate that. So okay, let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale is this set of the Summer Fridays masks. That's a really weird word to say really fast. By the way, I just washed my hair today, so if it's looking frizzy or weird, just ignore it. It's still wet. All I did is just put it up, okay? So we're just gonna ignore it like we always do. So it has three three masks in here, and the one that I was super interested in is this one in the middle here, which is the jet lag mask. I am sure that you have seen someone brag about this mask right here. So it comes with the jet lag mask, which is like the full size, and then there's R&R mask, which is for glow. That's this one right here, and the overtime mask, which is the yellowy golden one, and that's for exfoliation. The jet lag mask, it says it's for hydration. So I am super excited to try these out. I have been dying to get my hands on this, and the fact that I didn't have to buy them like individually and I can kind of try all three of them out like this is just awesome. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Next up, I picked up this little set of the Benefit Perfect primer deal. This is the Professional, and so this little set, it comes with one full size and then a mini size. So I'm super excited to try this. I always use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer or the Laura Mercier Oil Free Primer. Let's see how this one performs. If I'm doing like a full-on look for like a party or like a special event or something that I have to go to, then I do like to use primer just because it like just looks a lot smoother and like more long lasting and keeps your foundation in place. So let's see how this one performs, because I really do like my Smashbox and the Laura Mercier one. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. Next up, I picked up the Huda Beauty lifeliner, and I already have this in my kit and I absolutely love it. It is such bold black, like really black eyeliner. The fact that there's like the gel type of eyeliner side, like the pencil side, and then there's the liquid side, it's really amazing. It's a great deal, and both sides actually perform really well. It's actually really hard to take off, which, I mean, Huda Beauty already kind of put that out when they first launched this product. Huda Beauty did make like a makeup remover that was made specifically to be able to remove this eyeliner because it is just that good, and great staying power. And I have definitely seen that because I did my cousin's makeup and I used this eyeliner and she did not have an easy time taking it off. It definitely took like makeup remover wipes and like you know, some sort of like oil and whatever. It's not that it's not gonna come off, it's just it's a very good eyeliner, and the brush is just so fine. It's really easy to make like your wing liner, and the gel part is great for the waterline, great for just anything. So yeah, really good eyeliner. Next up, I have another product from Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty The Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. This sponge looks really cool because unlike the Beauty Blender, it actually has this like flat edge side. I mean, I guess I could open this. This wouldn't be a Pav video if there wasn't some sort of struggling involved. Okay, got it. So yeah, the fact that this has like that, do you see that? Like that straight edge part, but still has like a point. I'm really excited to use that because the Beauty Blender is just like kind of rounded from all sides, but this one's kind of cute. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. Next up, I picked up this duo set of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It was really cool because like I think a regular, like just one of these bottles is, I could be wrong, but like $42, and the fact that these two, like two full-size bottles together in this set, were for $50, That's so amazing. So I love this spray. I always switch between the Urban Decay All Nighter and my MAC Fix Plus. So I really needed to get my hands on this because the more the merrier. And yeah, it's definitely a long-lasting makeup setting spray. It keeps your makeup locked in place, and it really takes away that like powdery look, and my makeup doesn't look cakey. They also had like a jumbo version. That one went out of stock. This is also a really great deal, like 2 full-size bottles for $50, and that was before the VIB, you know, the discount. Next, I picked up the Morphe M439 brush. This is great for foundation. I already have this brush, and you've probably seen me use it in my videos and like my Instagram tutorials and stuff. This is their deluxe buffer brush, and it is absolutely amazing for getting that like flawless finish, full coverage foundation look. And yeah, you can use this on like a daily basis and just, you know, wash it out, and it works great. It's not stiff, it's very, very soft. The bristles are absolutely amazing, and you definitely need to get your hands on this brush because it's just super soft and it does a really good job. Really, really good. You need to try this out. Next up, I picked up this huge size of the Beauty Blender cleanser. I have the Beauty Blender, like the bar soap thing. I find that's like really messy to use. Like you need something to, you know, it has like the tin that it comes in, and then you gotta like, I don't know, it's just like, it's kind of annoying. So I picked up this, and this is great because you just kind of like put it on your beauty blender, like put it under warm water and kind of like squish it out. And yeah, it's amazing. It's paraben free, it's sulfate free, and it's just awesome to keep my beauty blender clean. This thing is huge. I also picked up this like Cinema Secrets like little tin that's used for like the Cinema Secrets, Cinema Studio Secrets brush cleanser. That's still on the way. I don't know why it's not here yet. This is like the first time I've had products be sent in like 3 different packages. It's really weird. That's never happened to me before. Usually they all arrive in one box. But yeah, I'm still waiting for the cleanser, the brush cleaner. But yeah, this is like the little tin that I bought. Just makes it easier to you know, clean your brushes. I don't really think you guys need to like see that. It's just a brush cleaner, so it doesn't matter that it's not here yet. And of course, we can't forget the samples that Sephora lets you pick out at the end. And I picked up the Philosophy Time in a Bottle for Eyes sample. So it's like this little pouch. Excited to try that. And I picked up this perfume. So yeah, that is all, you guys. This time I didn't really go for like, you know, things that I usually pick up, like things like eyeshadow palettes and like lipsticks and stuff like that, just because I did buy like lipsticks during the Labor Day sale, and I think it was a Labor Day sale, and I did get a lot of eyeshadow. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes then, and I picked up a bunch of eyeshadow palettes like throughout the year last year, so it just didn't really make sense for me to pick up any like items like that this time. So I got items that were kind of like a necessity for me and my kit. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel down below, and comment if you have anything to say. Other than that, see you guys next time. Bye.